Good morning, everyone. A good tevach, Shavua Tov. We are continuing here in the words of the laws of KASHRUS of Binyamin Forest in the laws of Tevillah's Kelim, which vessels require Tevillah. And he writes, Chayvasa rak b'Klei Seudah. The only obligation that one has to take his vessels to the mikveh is if they are what's called Klei Seudah. They are vessels that are being used for the meal. Mikevin shepashas Klei midyan oisekes b'Klei Seudah. Since when we quoted the Torah about the war that they fought against the people of Midian and they took the kelim, the vessels afterwards, it's referring only to the kelim of the Seudah of the meal. Because it says in the pasuk over there, anything that will pass through fire. And the only vessels that we put through the fire is that which we're using for the meal. V'gam ki rak klei seudah tzrichim oisa hechsher hamavar beparsha. Al kain rak klei seudah chayovim b'tevillah. Therefore, only vessels and utensils that are used for the meal are the ones that are going to require tevillah in a mikvah. And therefore, hagdaras klei seudah. What exactly defines the clay, the vessels of a seudah of a meal? Ma nikra klei seudah. What is called a klei seudah? Kelim asher shimushim la'achila v'lishtiyah. These are vessels, utensils, that are used for eating and for drinking. Kegoin, for example, tzalachas v'kais, a plate and a cup. V'chein klei bishul, so too, any types of vessels that use for cooking. Things that use afiyah for baking, v'tikun and frying. Kegoin keder, like a pot, sir machavas, or a frying pan, or the like, or a baking or a roasting pan. All these different things which the food is cooked inside them. That's how klei seudah. So too the vessels that you use that help to prepare the food. Kamoi, sakin, like a knife, misanenis, a sieve, pumbio machteshes, some kind of mortar and a pestle or the like, things that you use to prepare the food for the cooking. Kol elo nikra klei seudah. All of these things are called klei seudah. These are called the vessels that you're using for the meal. And those are the only things, as we're going to see more, that are going to be chayav, be obligated to bring to the mikvah. But something that's not falling into that category of a klei seudah, and we'll see the different details coming up. So then those things themselves will, even though that they might be around the meal, they might be around food, they might be used for different parts of preparation, so to speak. But if they're not actual klei seudah, and there's more definitions we have to see, then they will not fall into that category and they will not require tevillah. So we'll see Be'ez Hashem tomorrow the more definitive ideas of exactly what all of these pots, pans, knives, forks, plates, cups, and the like, what they are that require tevillah. Have a wonderful day.